Today, I'll show you how to add a beautiful snowfall effect to your videos, perfect for giving your edits a calm and magical feel. Let's get started. First, open your project and select the clip you want to add snowfall to. Now, head over to the effects panel at the bottom and tap on video effects. In the search bar, type snow. You'll see a few snowy effects pop up. Tap on the one you like to apply it directly onto your clip. That's right, CapCut applies effects straight onto your clip, not as a separate layer, making it super convenient. Once the effect is applied, tap on it again to open the adjustment options. You'll find multiple sliders that let you control how intense or subtle the snowfall appears. You can fine tune the look based on your scene, whether it's a light snowfall or a heavy storm, and just like that, your clip now has a lovely snowfall vibe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut tricks.